If you've seen designs that are stitched with ribbon or even beads, yes, beads, that is an embellishment attachment that is available for the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we're doing all the free video tutorials for this beautiful machine. And one of the accessories that you can get, isn't that fun, is actually an option for stitching ribbon, yarns, or beads in place. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where you find the designs, and then I will tell you that the step-by-step directions that are going to come up on screen are better than what I could tell you how to do it. So the very first time I watched somebody follow the directions, it was so easy that it worked out perfect. Everything got set up correctly, it got attached to the machine correctly, and they were off and stitching in no time flat. I also am going to recommend the online course that my friend Liz and her sister Leslie have just posted. There's a link in the description below. So this is not one of our courses, but somebody else's. But they have taken every aspect of this amazing attachment and dove deeper into each of its options. Even I was amazed to see what this was actually capable of doing. Their creativity is so cool, and they totally took it to a whole new level than just the design. So just for fun though, let's go ahead, touch the Husqvarna Viking logo at the top, go to Joy OS Advisor, select Embroidery. If you're looking for your design booklet, this is where you can find the QR code. It'll pop up on a tablet or your phone of all the built-in designs here. But if you come all the way to the very, very end of these tabs, there is an Embellishment Attachment tab. So if you're looking for ribbon embroidery or yarn or beads of different sizes, go ahead and select one of these. And the reason I'm going to have you select it is because it will have not only the step-by-step directions of how to get everything loaded and attached, but it will also have the designs right underneath the Content tab. Now, you've probably seen these designs in your machine, but might not have realized that those are actually ribbon designs. There's that thank you right here. So if you were to select it or any one of these, you will be able to get started right away. I do like in their course they talk about how to combine these designs with other designs that are actually embroidery designs. So being able to kind of create two different surfaces is really kind of fun. So there is so much in this machine. And if you do hop over to the mysewnet.com website, in the library, there are additional ribbon, bead, and yarn designs already available for that particular attachment. So if you've put that on your wish list or somebody gave it to you as a gift, wow, let's get into using it. But go ahead and find the designs, pick one, and just go ahead and stitch it. I believe this was like one of the first ones I ever stitched, and I was so excited because it just turned out. It's super easy. So I hope you'll check out the online course and check out all the designs that you have available at your fingertips within this machine. We'll put a link right up here in this corner where you can check out the video that we created when the embellishment attachment course first came out. Watch that video to learn more about that course. If you're looking for other tutorials for the Designer Epic 3, the complete playlist of all the videos that we have created are also in the description below, along with our other online courses that you can check out. In our courses, you own those for life, and you can also watch free videos to preview the course to see if that course is right for you before you purchase it. We hope to see you in class soon.